odds for the division, and here we go. So 4 divided by 4 is just 1, and then when in doubt, okay, you can expand this out. So there's 3 m's on the top, there's 4 m's on the bottom, and if you think about it, all 3 up top are going to cancel out. So what do you do when all 3 cancel out? Well, m divided by m is 1. So really this is 1, m divided by m is another 1, and another 1. So this is really 1 times 1 times 1, which is just 1. So whenever everything cancels out of the top or the bottom, it gets replaced with a 1. Alright, so then we have 1 left, 1 m left on the bottom. So there you go. Number 33. Now, I'm dividing the exact same thing, and you learned this way back when. Anything divided by itself is 1. Okay? Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1, and n to the 4th divided by n to the 4th is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. So don't overthink that one. And number 35. So you're going to be asking, what do you do with that negative sign that's out front? What I would do is I would always put it up top. Okay? So I have negative, and you can write it as negative 1 if you want. R to the 3rd over R to the 4th. So if I think about this, I have 4 r's up top, or 3 r's up top, and 4 on the bottom. So, you know, one way you can think about this is all 4 r's, or all 3 r's up top would be gone, and there would be 1 left over. Okay, so what's up top? I have a negative 1 up top, and I have 3r on the bottom. And number 37, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, then I'm left with, I'll rewrite it, b squared. Alright, so think about this. B squared is really b times b, so one of these would cancel out. B divided by b is 1, so what I'm left with is a to the 3rd times b. So I'm just canceling out variables if I have the same variables. Okay, 39. And number 39, this is the first one that I'm going to show where we have a negative exponent. Alright, and when we have a negative exponent and it's in the bottom, it's going to go to the top. And if the negative is in the top, it's going to move to the bottom. Alright, so it's really an inverse. N to the negative first is the inverse of what's going on, so we have to do the switch. Okay, so that's the first thing that I want you to do. Just rewrite the end of the first up top, and it's going to become positive. Alright, and then it kind of joins, it does join the end of the 4th. Okay, so end of the 4th times end of the 1st is end of the 5th. So that's what I'm going to write next. Okay, so that's how I get the end of the 5th. The m was just rewritten, and then if you think about it, I have 1 m on the top and 2 m's on the bottom, so I'm just showing that this m completely crossed out. Alright, and there's only 1 left, so I'm left with end of the 5th over 3m. Okay, 41. Just going to redo this one for you. So here we go. So negative 4 times, or divided by 4 is just negative 1. Now you could put another 1 there, but it's not really needed. And then a to the 1st, or a to the negative 1st, since it's on the bottom, it's going to go up to the top. So it's going to join the a to the 4th. And the only thing that's left on the bottom is b squared. Okay, from there, I have negative 1, a to the 4th times a to the 1st. I have 5 a's altogether over b squared. Okay, and then (43). If you look at this, I have 4/3. That's not going to cancel out or reduce. So I'm just going to rewrite the 4/3, and that's going to stay there. And it looks like the only thing I need to rewrite is take this z to the negative first, and to make it positive I need to move it up top. So I'll rewrite this whole thing. And when I rewrite the bottom, the z is now gone. Okay, so this should simplify fairly quickly. I have y to the 4th, so I have 4 y's up top and 2 y's on the bottom. So that's going to become y squared. Okay, why did I know that? Well, these two are going to completely cancel out, and this 2 of these are going to cancel out, so there's only going to be 2 left. Alright, and then I have a z to the 4th times z to the 1st, that's z to the 5th, and then the x squared has nothing to cancel out with, so that's just 3x squared.